Miguel. I love you.
Di ba ako nahihiya eh.
I fumble my words, yeah, my mind's a mess when you're in.
Hi, Shane. Welcome to the Christian world. Sana lumaki kang may takot kay God at saka sana maging mabait kang bata. Always. I love you, Oko.
Glad you came, glad you came.
Hi, Shell. My dearest Apo. I love you so much. Sana lumaki kang mabuting bata at laging may takot sa Diyos at malayo sa lahat ng karamdaman. I love you so much, my dear Apo.
I was lost till I fell in your eyes, had me wondering why I feel like home.
Hi, Ciel. Welcome to the Christian world. I wish that you will grow up as a very good girl, mabait, and you will show love to your mommy and daddy and to your grandparents. I wish that you will enjoy life, and I will miss you so much.
Into my life and I am glad you came, glad you came. When you're not around.
Hi, Shell. Malamang pag napanood mo to, may isip ka na or nakakaintindi ka na. Maging mabait na bata ka, maging masunurin ka sa mami mo para dalawa na tayong masunurin. Love na love ka namin. Ayun lang.
Hello, Cheryl. Very thankful kami na dumating ka sa life namin and ikaw ang greatest blessing namin so far. Kaya sana pag lumaki ka, maging mabait kang bata at saka magkaroon ka ng mabuting puso. Ngayon, love na love ka namin ng daddy. Love you.
Oh, we love you so much.
Sana lumaking malusog ng aking ako at gumandang maigi.
Welcome to the Christian world. Simone Manuel. We love you.
Hello, Shell. Sana ay lumaki ka ng malusog at masaya.
Hello, Shell. Happy christening. Be good.
Hello, Shell. Welcome to the Christian world. Sana maging mabait kang bata at tatandaan mo nandito lang kami para sa iyo.
Happy Christmas, Ciel. I wish na lumaking batang mabait, malusog. Thank you at patbayan ng Panginoon. God bless you.
Sana lumaki kang maging mabait na bata. Ang cute-cute mo, sarap kurutin.
Hello, hi inaanak ko. Wow. I hope na maging very God-fearing ka and always listen to your mom and dad. So, we're always here to guide you. Don't worry. Love na love ka ng buong family and mga friends ng mommy mo at daddy mo. So, I love you.
Hi, Shell. Hindi mo po ito makikita kasi baby ka pa. Pero, welcome to the Christian world. Kami yung mga tita mo. We love you so much. We wish na you grow up to be a very good girl and we love you.
Hi, Ciel. Wish you always good health and good future.
Hi, Shell. Happy listening. Good health and good luck.
Sana lumaki kang mabait, masunurin sa manulat. Sana maging mabait ka kagaya ng papa mo, kagaya sa papa mo. Yun lahat.
Hello, baby Ciel. Welcome to the outside world. Ayan, welcome to the Christian world. Sana maging mabait na bata ka, katulad ng mami mo, huwag kang gagaya sa daddy mo. Sana maging blessings ka sa family mo. Ayan. God bless you.
Hello, baby Simon. Welcome to Christian World and sana lagi kang pakabait at maging katulad ka mabait na ipapa mo. Yun lang.
Hi, baby Simon. Yung only wish ko lang is matupad ko ano yung desire ng hearts ng mga magulang mo para sa iyo. Yun lang. God bless you and laging healthy. Kahit makulit.
May you be a good girl always. Alam ko na magiging mabait kang bata. I'm here always for you. Good luck sa magiging journey pa with your daddy, mother. So, always take care.
Ay, Shell, wish ko na lumaking mabuti, mapagmahal sa magulang at may takot sa Diyos. Love ka ni Tito.
Wish ko lang kay Shell, lalaki siyang good health at saka malapit kay God. Palaging maganda.
Hi, Shell. Welcome to the Christian world. God bless.
Okay, hi, Jen.
Welcome to the Christian world. Nang loves you always. Sana lumaki kang mabait na bata.
A pretty thing like